Hello everyone, here at Prince George Ford looking at a 2018 Ford F150 Lariat. It is a 4x4 Super Crew and has a 5-liter engine. If you think you may be interested in this vehicle, feel free to stop by at Prince George Ford for a test drive or give us a phone call. So you have keyless entry up here, and then coming in through the driver's side door you have your automatic locks, windows and mirrors, as well as automatic lights, cruise control and volume options on the steering wheel, a large touchscreen monitor where you can control your audio, climate, phone, and navigation, audio and climate manually on the dash below as well. As you can see, we have heated and air-conditioned seats. I have the air-conditioned seats on because it's about 30 degrees here today. Four-wheel drive, it is a push button. Double moonroof, and a very deep center console. Coming in through the back seat, you have automatic windows, which will be child locked as well. A large bench seat that will split 60/40, and you also have a center console for them. Heated seats back here. There's also a box liner with LED box lights. A factory installed backup camera. And like I said before, if you think you may be interested in this vehicle, feel free to stop by Prince George Ford for a test drive or give us a phone call. And when you do, just reference the stock number right here, KD62559.